tonight turns into something right. Her mother does not like that kind of dress. Everything she never had, she's showing off. Driving too fast and is freaking touching her. She's hiding something that she won't forget. Getting no regrets is all that she really wants. We're only getting older, baby. And I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of, even when the night changes. It will never change